All right, why are so many people buying this pressure washer nozzle with the 7 spray tips right here? So I'm going to tell you, first off, they're flying off the shelves on Amazon. They're selling hundreds every month, and they've got lots of, as of right now, 1,461 4.4 star reviews just in totality. When you think of all the reviews, 4.4 stars. If it's got over 4 stars with any sort of significant, even if it only has like 100 ratings, I feel confident in the product. This has over 1,000 reviews with a 4.4 star rating, dude. I don't even need to think about it. It's quality. So 4,000 up to 4,000 psi. Great. Actually, where's the tip right here? So how it goes, twist that in. You've also got 7 spray tips right here, 7 spray patterns. So you've got 0 degrees, depending on, so you got right here, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, 65 degrees, as well as a rinse tip and a soap tip. So everything you need, and these are extremely effective stainless steel here. Just super effective, very effective product, and I see why everyone's buying them. Highly recommend.